Let me tell you why we order more fabric than it seems we should need to cover a pillow. The challenge is that we have repeats when we're talking about patterns. So this really beautiful velvet is multicolored. Depending on where we want the colors to fall on the pillow, that's where the cut will need to be made. And sometimes they can be really far apart. Like if the pattern repeat is large, then we're going to need way more fabric than you would think to cover 2 pillows. So sometimes we might order 2 yards, sometimes we might order 3 yards just to cover a pillow. But what Katrina helps me do is find the placement that we actually want on the fabric. Okay, we can do this digitally with images, with the repeat, if we can get a full picture of the whole repeat and do some placements, and then they'll tell me, okay, Nikki, you need 2 yards, or the bad news,
4 yards.
And so when a fabric costs, you know, $75 a yard, that means we're making pillows that are $4.50 for a pair. That's why sometimes we are ordering way more fabric than you think we would need just to make a pillow.
Yeah, and you might want to have just this pink color and none of the green. And so they randomly send us the fabric. And so we have to make sure that we get what the client wants. And you don't want to just use one side of the pillow. You want to be able to turn it over, not worry about getting a random color on your pillows.
Yeah. So then you have 4, that's when the 4 yards comes into play. If you want to eliminate this green, that was a great example.
Right.